Hey, what's up my good people? Jeff Carbuoy here again. This is 2019 Honda not CRV but HRV, and today I'm going to show you all the fuses box location on this HRV. Now this 2019 Honda HRV comes with the several fuse box location. We're going to start with the one under the engine, so under the engine compartment. So you're going to pop up the hood from right here, from right there. Now here inside the engine compartment you got a 4-cylinder engine. Now on the driver's side you find the battery, and there is another gadget right here. Behind is this cover right here. This is what you pop up. There is one tab here, and these two tabs you lift it up. There you go. And this is a fast fuse panel right there. Comes with some fuses and some relays right there, as you can see. And then on the back of the cover we find this little white tool right here. This is a tool that you use to remove the fuses. This is a diagram or the fuse layouts. It shows the fuse information and all that good stuff. Alright, now to put the cover back together, you just laid out those tabs, and this tab right here, press, and it's going to lock in place. Just like that. That is a fast fuse panel inside the engine compartment. Now I don't think it has another one unless you have a specific model that has another fuse box inside the engine compartment. So if you do, let us know on the comment section. Now we're gonna go inside the cab. Now if this video is very helpful, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't, and stay tuned. Now on the driver's side, just below the power steering, we're gonna look the second fuse box, which is going to be under, let me just put the lighting. So we are on the brake pedal level, and then we look up, way up, and you find this fuse box right here, this one right there, and that is the second fuse box right there. As you can see, whole bunch of fuses. And now next to it there is another fuse box right there. You drop it just a little bit, you find this fuse right there. And then this one has a cover. You're gonna pop this cover up. Once you pop that cover, you find that there is another set of fuses, a couple of fuses right there. Alright, and those are behind. And behind this cover you find the diagram right there. With all the fuse information, the amperage, all the good stuff. Okay, now this cover is easy to put it back. It's all locked in, and those are the fuse box locations. All the fuse box location on a Honda HRV. Yep, those are the fuse box location. Subscribe, stay tuned. This is your man Jeff Carbuoy. Let me know what you think on the comment section. See you in the next one.